Hello everyone and welcome back to Mystic Elements. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our digital camera. Today we're featuring is a NBK digital camera. This digital camera has everything you need to kickstart your journey, including accessories. You have your 32 gigabyte SD card. You have your external microphone, which would be this little thingy here that connects to your camera. You have your two rechargeable batteries, which is here with the charging port here on the bottom. Just go ahead, you can charge both batteries at the same time. You also have your cables that connect to your charging port as well as your microphone. You have your HDMI cable that connects to the camera to your computer or your TV. You also have your LED light that attaches to your camera with 3 different light functions on it. You got 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if you guys can see that too well there, but it does have 3 different functions on it. You also have a mini tripod that it came with to go ahead and sit your camera on top there. It is adjustable as well, mostly used for stuff like video vlogging, one-on-one, selfies, stuff like that, sitting on your desktop or hood or whatever. You have your wide angle and your macro angle lens here. It also comes with a remote. Very helpful and handy remote there. You can control your camera, all the different functions and things like that with your remote there. You can expand, you can make things smaller, you can go to all your modes. Very good, it comes in handy for some one-on-one work there. Not just that, it comes with a nice cleaning kit. It has a type of brush, some type of blower, rags and everything like that. The video NBK camera is a 4K UHD. The screen size is 3-inch. The NBK camera is packed with advanced features like fast frame rates, slow motion capture, advanced image stabilization, 18 times digital zoom to get closer to the action, 32 gigabytes for ample recording, IR built-in night vision technology, which comes in handy especially if you're vlogging and doing stuff like we're doing up in the mountains at night. It gets dark pretty fast out there. It comes with the flip screen for selfies and easy vlogging. Equipped with cutting-edge IR technology, this camera excels in capturing clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. And don't forget about the slow motion and time-lapse to capture breathtaking high resolution. Great for vlogging. It is Wi-Fi. You can easily transfer the footage to your phone or computer for seamless editing and sharing. Conveniently control the camera with the included remote control. You can also purchase separate accessories for your digital camera. We did have a donation. We want to give a shout out to my boy Dupree out of Manteca, California for hooking us up with a tripod. We'll jump into that in a little bit to kind of show you what the tripod looks like and its functionalities. But let me take a look at this camera here. This camera is nice. Again, it does come with a flip screen. You can kind of, like I say, works for selfies and stuff like that. You want to pop the bottom open here to go ahead and insert your battery and SD card. The battery does go in one way. We're going to pull the battery out of this battery charger right here and go ahead and slap it up in there for a second just to kind of see what it looks like when we turn it on. Drop our battery. Turn to use my other hand. I am not a left-handed person. So I'm going to slap that battery in. You do want to make sure that it's locked down by that little lever right there. It locks your battery into place so you can make sure you don't have no incidents when working with your camera. It does come on once you go ahead and pop that in. The good thing about it, it does show you a meter of the battery, what level you have left on your battery, so you know when to change it out. Many functions. If we check this out, you have your power button. It also activates the light if you hit that button. Hit the power button one time to turn the light on and off. That's also how you power down the unit here, is by holding that button, and it'll probably power down in about 2 seconds. It has a mode button on there. different functions for the mode. You can do all sorts of things with a video. This is also a camera, so not just a camcorder, but a camera as well to take still pictures. To exit out of the mode, just go ahead and press the mode button again. You have a menu button on here. This takes care of all your functions like your white balance and all those other good things so you can get that quality picture that you're looking for. You have your up and down there. And that's how you scroll through to make your selection for your menu and your different selections in your mode settings. Again, it is a flip screen, comes in handy. Up top here, this is where you will attach your mic or camera. On the back here, it does have a little tab here that you can flip open that says mic, HD, and USB. That's where you will plug your different connections at there to get what you need. This is your record button back here in the back. You hit that to start recording. Once again, very good little camera so far. We'll be using it in some of our upcoming videos to kind of show you the quality of the camera. So what I did, I just took the release off of there, the front shutter, kind of show you how that looks. It is attached there, it makes that very easy so you won't drop and lose. Pretty good quality camera so far. We don't have anything set up to clear up the picture or do anything else like that, but the camera quality so far is pretty good. So again, we will be using this in the future. I'm going to go ahead and power this down real quick by pressing that button and holding it, and it tells you goodbye. It's had enough of you for today. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into this donation from Mr. Dupree and Amanda from out of Manteca, California. So once again, thank you Dupree and Amanda for donating this beautiful tripod for here at Mystic Elements. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack this here. Real nice. Seems like it's very good quality made. Tell you a little bit about this tripod here while I get ready to set it up. So the tripod is universal. It will work for your camera. It will work for your camcorder. It will work for your phone. There are different attachments for it. This tripod is 73 inches and comes in at weighing about 2.8 pounds. You can definitely feel it, which means it is made of good material, hopefully. I like the way it feels. And we're going to go ahead and give you guys an example of the tripod. We're going to open it up and stand it up and see what it looks like at that point. So bear with me while I go ahead and release all the tabs here to open up the tripod. I like this. This is really nice. Seems very durable. Doesn't seem like that cheap stuff. I like that we can go ahead and attach the bottom down there for different terrains. I'll show you the pegs that go on the bottom down there for your legs to sit out on your different terrain. Comes in real handy. This is really nice. Thanks again, Amanda and Dupree. We really appreciate your donation right here at Mystic Elements. So this is even taller than earlier. So we do have it set up. This is pretty tall here. I love it already. Not just that, we won't stop there. We want to make sure that we lock this down, give you that peer connection as far as make sure that it's stable. But not just that, we're not going to stop there. This thing adjusts even higher for your camera needs. So very good tripod so far. It is pretty tall. Hey, I'm about 5'11", and this thing is taller than I am, which is really good. It has your leveling bubble on there, so you can know that it's level just in case you're on different type of terrain and you got your camera leaning on a tripod, leaning a certain way. You can definitely check to see if it's level by checking your level button right there. Some of the features are a quick release. It does have a quick release. Leveling bubble, lock knob, non-slip rubber mats. So that's what goes on the bottom, so your tripod won't be moving around and slipping. You got your non-slip rubber mats, a three-way pan, elevation locking knob, and hanging hook. The hanging hook is used for you to hang your personal items right there on the bottom, cell phones, little bags with your munchies and stuff in it, whatever you need, you know. You can record vertical or horizontal. And let's not forget about the Velmetal case and the shoulder bag. That seems to be made out of good quality material. This bag is really nice. Still got some stuff inside of it. But hey, we can go ahead and zip this up. Nice shoulder strap if you want to. Got the tripod. Throw it on them big old shoulders. Hey, do what you gotta do. But we're gonna take a look at this here with the tripod. Also came with the handle and this easy attachable little doohickey thing here. It's a quick release tab on there. You can put your cell phone on here. You can put your camera on there. Here's your little screw to lock your cell phone and camera in. It is a quick release. Therefore, all you have to do is open that up, slap that in there and release it. Next you know, your camera and phone or whatever you have will be attached to that. You do have your phone holder. It does expand. Again, it will lock into the back there, so it will attach to your quick release there. Just in case, I'll just show you the stand, the little pegs, the little legs. I call them legs that go on the bottom. They do rotate and move around, adjustable, again, to fit your needs in different terrain out there. Really good. Really good stuff. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to throw this on there real quick. Just to kind of put this up there, so if you're videoing, hey, this thing's up there in the air, you should be able to capture everything. You might even be able to capture the wind moving. Depends because you're so high up in the air. Different elevations, so let's see. Really nice, really nice, really nice. And then you also comes with a handle. Kind of helps with your stabilization when you're going ahead and doing stuff like that, your video recording. You can go ahead and put your handle up in there, screw it on in, lock it down. As I was telling you guys earlier, you can record using this on a vertical or horizontal. I'm going to lower that for you real quick. In order to do that, you just want to release this little tab right here. There's a little tab right there, releasing that. And once you loosen that up, you're able to flip your phone or a camera to record horizontal or vertical, which is very good. A little thing to come with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it back down. Boom. Again, locks into place. Quick release for all your other things you might want to use, cell phone, other cameras and stuff like that. Very good tripod. We'll be using this stuff very good out there, most likely in one of our next videos. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to Mystic Elements. Thank you guys for tuning in. Different times, different place, different measures. We out. All right. And just to kind of give you guys an idea about the camera and the height of the 73 inches here, this is very good for capturing a lot of wide angles and stuff like that. Again, I'm about 5'11" here, and this thing, 73 inches, does stand above me. It is taller than I am. So with that being said, again, you got your handles, your adjustment. You can move it sideways, up and down, whatever you like. I think this is a very good purchase right here. And again, we want to thank you guys for checking us out. Just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what we're doing here and what we just received. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.